Well, good afternoon, brothers. I hope you are having a good day. And as usual, it's always a good day to trade. So, without further ado, let's begin. Well, if you have not seen our Bank Nifty video, do check. There's a link down in the description below. But we made a really bad loss. And on that bad loss, we further traded in crude oil. So, at the point of time, the psychology of my while trading this thing was not really that great. But as a trader, this is what we have to try to achieve. There is stone hard. So without emotions, and you just have to focus on your system. So as per my system, I got a selling order, which is especially a resistance from a US oil as well as crude oil. So it has already taken multiple time resistance on previously, and has also acted as support previously. So it's a really high probability the market would fall down from here a bit. So I missed a bit early entry. I could have got it at 5,250 level. It was a really good entry, but as for the bank nifty losses, I was not that confident in taking a short side trade in crude oil. But eventually, after a couple of 5 minute candle ended with doji and this started to fall off, I entered the market, and as you could see, it was a really good decision to enter in the market at this point. So let me explain you the reason why I actually taken the trade here. Well, for reason number one, you could see a really good triangle shape pattern forming on US or charts. You could see this thing. Pause the video if it is really fast, and that was the main reason why shorted here, because the eventually the market was already in a really good main trend of the market was really a downtrend, and based on that thing, there's a really high probability that market would fall down very easily then go up. So based on that thing, I shorted. Reason number two, you could see the market is in the CPR itself, so there's a high probability chance that it might get rejected from that area. But let me tell you, this when this week happened on 15 minutes time frame, I was absolutely ready to take a loss of 8 points here, because there was no way the crude oil would have retraced down a bit. So I was extremely in bad emotional state, you would say. So there was already I have facing losses since Monday itself, and this would be the third consecutive loss which I would have taken while trading. So that's a really bad state to trade in first of all. So I was already in the state that this could go completely opposite from at this point of time. Well, brothers, if you're watching this video till now, don't forget to smash that like button and definitely comment down below what kind of trade you have taken today, and were they profitable or they were losses like mine. But as per the analysis goes, the analysis was correct, and which it proved, because it did came back falling down at a really good pace, and it fall below a 16 point target to a third and final target, that is of 20 points. And we could have achieved 20 points, but I do not want to be greedy, as I've already taken a loss in the bank nifty. So the mentality here was to a bit recover that losses which has happened in the past consecutive 2 days. So, but you could see analysis at this point was really perfect. So reason number one why the trade here was, first the triangle pattern, second was the CPR itself, third the main trend was the downside one, and the reason number four was the RSI. So it was indicating a really good overbought market at lower time frame. So these were the main reasons why I've taken short here. And as you could see, this was the candle which it took support at the 20 period moving average, but the second candle, the candle which is forming right now, it broke the support of 20 period moving average and started falling down really good. So and as you could see that target got achieved very easily. So that's it for the trade. We have not going to further trade in crude oil, but if we might, I would definitely update either today or by tomorrow itself. But as you can see, further, if you analyze this thing, the market was actually trying to get upside, and you could see it started forming a bit wick. So it was actually a inverted triangle pattern. So this was actually a bit risky trade, but I got it at extremely top. That's why I took it. And as you could see, it formed wick and it started moving up again, and eventually it moved up itself. So that's it for today traders. This is the trade I've taken in crude oil. If I take any further trades, I'll definitely update you on that. Well, if you're watching this video till now, don't forget to smash that like button if you love the analysis, love that trade which I have taken, and comment down below if you have taken any such trade. Don't forget to share this video with all the other traders, subscribe, and press that notification bell so you never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching.